Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. For the past few days now, we've been checking out the topic trend trading strategies for trading boom and crash. We've had that of part 1 and part 2. If you missed those two, you can go back to the channel and watch my videos on them. Okay, this is part 1 and here is the part 2, guys. Okay, today we will be checking out the part 3, okay, so that we will know how to trade the market successfully. The main purpose of doing this special training program is for you to take advantage of the trend. Okay, the trend is always a suitable situation for you to milk the market successfully. Once you are able to spot out the trend, then you will be able to milk the market successfully. So these are some of the things we've been looking at for the past few days right now, and today is going to be the part 3, and we will continue from where we stopped yesterday. Okay guys, before I go fully into that, in case you are just joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you just need to do is just to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips, and make sure you do you practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before you try them out on your real account. This is very, very important, okay? And if you love my videos, kindly give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends. And of course, if you have any question about any of my videos, or probably you want to know more about my trading strategies, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. And of course, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, then you are missing a lot. Kindly check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you will always be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly we will be going straight into what we have for today. Okay, like I said, we started this topic about 3 days ago, and we started treating how we can use the trend to trade boom and crash successfully. We started by telling us the exact trend for each of the asset, and also the best time to go into the trading. I mean, the best time to trade them using the trend. And these are some of the things we've been looking at: how to spot out the trend, the beginning of the trend, and when it is coming to an end. And of course, like I said, if you are not very good with your TA, your technical analysis, you might not be able to spot this out, and that is why you will need your custom made indicators to help you out with this. Okay, right here we have our custom made indicators, which we've been using all this while, and it's been giving us amazing results all this while. And this is called the QDC scraper trading indicator. Okay, so that is all we've been using all this while. So guys, I will continue from where we stopped yesterday. 2 days ago we discussed about the trend indicator on the main chart, which is the 4MA candles. Then we gave us the functions and how we can use it to trade successfully. And like here, whenever it is green, it shows that the market is on uptrend. Check it out, it became green here and it's been going up since then. Okay, and yesterday we discussed about the dam jump, which is also another trend trading indicator. Okay, when it is green like this, it is in uptrend. When it is red, it is in downtrend. And most of you practiced with this yesterday, and you milk the market successfully. But the good thing, what you should know about the first and the second indicator, which is the 4MA candles and the dam jump indicator, is that both of them are used for short-term trades. Okay, it helps you to know the trend within a very short period. Okay, and you will be able to milk the market successfully using both of them. But in order for you to perfect your trading abilities, then you need to know the trend right from the beginning to the very end of the trend, okay, on a long term. And that is where the tall trend indicator is coming in, which is the QDC trend scraper. Okay, that is where you should I mean, that is what we tell you the trend um you are going into right from the beginning. Even before the trend will start, it's going to notify you before the trend will start, and once it is coming to an end, before it ends, then it's still going to notify you, so that you will be, I mean, you will be assured that this is what is about to happen in the market before it happened. Okay, so that is how it works. Okay, let me quickly show you briefly, share with you briefly how it works. Okay, when the bars are red like this, it shows that the market is on downtrend, but when the bars are green, it shows that the market is on uptrend, just the way you have seen it right here. Okay, but there is a yellow bar here and an uptrend arrow on it. Okay, this arrow facing up shows that the market is moving from downtrend into uptrend, but right here there is a yellow bar and an arrow facing down, which means that the trend will be moving from an uptrend to downtrend. So that is the way it works, guys. So once you understand this, you will be able to milk the market successfully. Okay, in the part 4, I'm going to share with you how to use it to swing trade successfully, but right now let me show you how to use the trend to trade this asset successfully. Okay, so just the way you have seen it, once you see the arrow, I mean, facing up like this, you should know that you should be getting ready to trade the uptrend, but you need to wait for the instruction on the main chart before you go for it. You can see right here is where we have the arrow popping out, but this is when we got the instruction on the main chart to go fully into it. So you go fully into it and trade. So you can pick up your 5 minute, 2 minute, I mean, you can pick up your 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, or 20 minute candles depending on your trading capital, and it also depends on how much profits you want to make on that day, and also your lot size is also very, very important. So it depends on how you want to go with it, and if you are the type that have the old time, you can milk the market right from the beginning of the trend like this till the very end of the trend. Okay, this is the end of the trend just the way we have seen it, but in between there are going to be so many pullbacks in between. That is why I said you need to be familiarized, you need to get yourself familiarized with the system first before you start using it on your real account, because in case, let's say you decide to come in here and you got to this level, it's pulled back, you might be scared that, oh, probably the trend is wrong at this point. So if you are not very careful, you can close your trade right here. Of course, you will still be in profit, but that will not give you the full profit which you are supposed to get. Okay, but check it out. If you had waited, or probably if you decide to wait till the end of the trend, you can see that it still came back up to this level. But check out this. Okay, it pulled back again down to this level. Okay, some of you might be regretting waiting till this level before you close your trade. Right now it has pulled down again, but there is one thing I always tell you. Okay, you should go back to this indicator. If this indicator is still green, that means this is just a pullback, not a total reversal in price action. Okay, so which means it will still get to a level whereby it will end the trend. Okay, so it will still go back up. You can see it went back up and it got to this level, even broke the resistance level that was here. There was a resistance level around there. It broke out from there and it got to this level. Okay, so right on this level, you can see that the trend actually came to an end on that. Okay, it is, I mean, it is telling us that the trend will be coming to an end any moment from now. This might take some time before it goes into a downtrend fully because of the strong uptrend that it was coming from. Okay, but notwithstanding, this has given you an hint that, okay, you should be preparing for a downtrend at that point. So definitely you should close your trade at that part, I mean at that point. Okay, so which means if you had come in right here, then you would have milked the market till the end of the trend. Okay, but that is if you are having a strong trading capital and you are using a reasonable lot size, then that is when I can advise you to stay from the beginning of the trend to the very end of the trend. And of course, you must have practiced this over and over again on your demo account just for you to know how it works, okay? Because this can take days if you should do the calculation. So let's do the calculations together. Okay, starting from here to this level, how many candles? This is 208 candles and we are on 5 minute time frame. So you're going to see how long it took us to end to end the trend. 208 times 5, that is 1040 minutes. You can imagine that. Let's divide it by 60 to know the number of hours spent in getting divide by 60, and we're going to divide it by 60 again. I did multiplication the other time. Okay, you can see that is 17 hours. Can you imagine that? Almost a whole day, 17 hours. So you can imagine. So if you don't have the strong mind, or if you have not practiced to perfect your skill, you won't know that how it will still end up in profit at the end of the trend. So that is why you need to be patient enough to come in at the right time. Once you are able to identify the trend and you were able to spot out the beginning of the trend, sometimes once it shows you the beginning of the trend, or probably it's notified, maybe you got a notification that it is going into an uptrend, and you are not patient enough to wait for the blue arrow to pop out here, you go straight into the market. Okay, it is possible for you to be in negative for a while, of course, because you refuse to wait for the right time to go in. You didn't follow the full instruction, but that does not mean that the trend is not still correct. Okay, it will still definitely, it will definitely go into the right trend, but just that at that particular time it is just notifying you that it is about to change from a downtrend to an uptrend. So you just need to wait for the buy arrow to pop out in the main chart before you go into the trade. But you went into the trade before seeing the buy arrow popping out. So that is where the issue came in from. Okay, and that is why you are in red for a while. So that is why you need to understand all this. So once you understand all this, you will be able to milk the market successfully. Okay, and that is why for those of you for some of my subscribers that have been using this and they are having a very good amount of capital, what they do is just set up their trade at the beginning of the trend and leave it till the end of the trend, and that is what they do, and they milk a lot of profits with it. They make a lot of money with it. Okay, but for those that are still that are just building up their confidence within the platform, at least they take advantage of the trend and milk the market gradually till they are able to achieve their daily targets. Okay, for instance, okay, let me quickly share with you how you can do that. Okay, for instance, let's say this is uptrend. We are within the uptrend region. Each time I get a buy arrow, I take advantage of that, because the buy signal will be more stronger than the sell signal at this particular point, because the market is on uptrend. So all I just need to do is just look out for the buy signal. I got one here. I can decide to pick up 5 or 10 minute candles here and exit the market, wait for another opportunity. Okay, I got another one here. I can decide to pick up 5 minutes to 10 minutes candles. Yes, most of them start small and gradually they start increasing it to 15 minutes, 20 minutes and 30 minutes and thereabout. Okay, so you can decide to pick up another one here, 5 to 10 minutes again. Okay, let's say we are picking 10 minutes, 10 minutes here, 10 minutes here, then there is another 10 minutes here. Right here is another 10 minutes. If you should do the calculation, that should be about 30 minutes. Okay, let's say 1 2 3 4. Okay, that should be about 40 minutes opportunities. Okay, 40 minutes opportunities. So let's check it out. 40 minutes opportunities. Let's say you are earning like $2 per minute. Okay, times 2, that will give you $80. You can see with that you've earned for yourself $80. So that is amazing. So that is how to go about it. You can easily do that gradually in order for you to build your trading capital till you get to a level whereby you have enough trading capital to trade, and at the same time you would have built your confidence within the market and be able to milk the market successfully using these trend trading strategies. Okay, so guys, I will be stopping right here. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, or probably you want to know more about my trading tools or my trading strategies, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. And of course, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, then you are missing a lot. Kindly do so right now, and also turn on the notification bell beside it to all notifications. That way you will always be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. And of course guys, if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And do not forget to join us again tonight during the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash successfully. Okay, we will be doing some analysis tonight and to check out the market direction so as to know what type of trade to go for whenever we are trading. And we usually use this opportunity to teach you guys live and direct on how to do your analysis and also how to place your trades. Okay, and of course we also use the same opportunity to milk the market successfully, because there will be tips on how you can make $500 trading boom and crash. And so many people have been taking advantage of this opportunity to milk the market successfully, and I'm really happy to see some of the positive results that have been shared with me. So guys, I am very sure you won't want to miss another edition of this tonight. Okay, so do not forget to join us. It's going to be live and direct, and watch out for that. Okay, until then,